But let's get started anyway. Hinesh said he couldn't make it today, so should be short. So I guess I'll go first this time. So let me think about what I did since we last spoke. I did a pair programming with Hinesh right after the Scrum yesterday on a Met Plus story he's working on. I also did a pair programming session with Paul, who's in Australia, on a Met Plus story he's working on as well. I think we had a client meeting yesterday before our meeting. I discussed that already, so no problems there. And I've been doing a little work on the SHF, that Swedish dog industry project. I delivered a couple of stories, reviewed PRs, worked on obstacle one of the people was having this morning. And that's pretty much it. I haven't had much chance to look at anything on Wiki.edu. So hopefully this afternoon I can start looking at React. Thanks for those links, Sejal. And I think that's it for me. So who's next?
Okay, I'll go.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I'm working with React and on my PR, and so I've done some changes in the files. So currently I'm working for writing like test cases for them. So working with RSpec right now.
I see. Okay.
For the one that you just did, those tests are in Mocha and not RSpec.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, she's got a bug that she's got the fix on, and just adding a test.
Got it. Sounds good. All right, Sage, you want to go next?
Sure. I've been I haven't done much since yesterday, except this morning. But this morning I picked back up the this work on the article viewer, and I'm basically taking a 500-line PHP script and translating that into JavaScript so that we can do the same kind of parsing of JSON and combining it with HTML that that happens with this other service, Wiki Hookup.
That sounds like a lot of fun. Not quite the word to use. Huh?
No comment.
Right. Oh well. Every job has some drudgery aspects to it, right? So Vijaya, do you want to go?
Yeah. Patrick, I create the pull request from the upstream development and merge into my development, and I'm running I finished the Cucumber, I'm running I finished the RSpec test, I am running the Cucumber.
Mm-hmm. Okay. You had a blocker yesterday, I think. Is that cleared now?
Yeah, I'll show it after this one.
Okay.
After this Scrum.
All right, we can take a look at that then. I think that's pretty much it for Scrum then, as far as I'm concerned. So one of the things I'd like to see is more people from Agile Ventures coming in and kicking the tires on this project. So maybe what we ought to do is give it another week or so, and then maybe set up another project review in Agile Ventures and make sure that we have people who are interested. So we kind of maybe go with an idea that people have to signal their interest in attending such a thing before we go ahead and do it.
Are you talking about the WikiEd project?
Yeah, Wiki.edu, yep, WikiEd.
Sure, yeah, that sounds great. Also, if you want, whenever you get around to picking up the story that you're planning to work on, if you're interested in pairing, I'm happy to do that today. I have a pretty open schedule.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, today would be premature because I haven't done my homework yet, reviewed the sites and done the reading. So I want to do that first. I want to go in there cold because it wouldn't be as productive.
Sure.
But yeah, I appreciate that. I'll take you up on that. I'll take a rain check on that.
Mm-hmm.
We'll do it downstream. All right, cool. Sounds good. Appreciate that. All right, so I guess unless there's anything else, we'll call it quits for the Scrum. I guess Vijay and I will just hang out here and continue on with looking at her story.
Okay, great.
All right, thanks everybody, and we'll talk again tomorrow.
Bye.
All right, take care. Bye now.
Bye.
All right, Vijaya. So
After,
you do have a blocker, or you're okay? I wasn't
yeah,
clear.
it is the blocker. But after that, in my branch, I have a merge conflict as well. Some other code is merged into the development.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I create the pull request to the upstream development. Once I review, I will know it where is the conflict. I think events.rb has some conflict.
Okay. So right now, do you have a outside of merging? Do you have a blocker in terms of moving
Yeah,
forward?
after we updated the seed file and the
All right.
test everything is passed on that day, and I want to push into the code GitHub. That time I tested the template one.
Yep.
It
Mm-hmm.
is generated the same error, the nil class, because already we have resume and the job seeker is there, and there is no job application reference for that user. I think that's why created date is nil class is generating. I'll show it to you.
Okay.
And one more thing, not only this revoke job seeker template, other test cases also failed. Test cases is not failing. I did not check, but templates is failing because before we used Tom seeker as the user. Now we
Yep.
changed it into the term seeker fed. The term seeker is not available to that template. I will show
Okay.
it those two cases. Okay.
Yep. Okay. Have you updated GitHub with your latest code?
Yeah, I updated today.
Okay, great. So I'm going to fetch that down myself so I can follow
Yeah.
along. Um, yeah.
Yeah. I'll share the screen 1 second.
Yeah, go ahead. I'm just pulling down your feature branch right now.
Okay.
Okay. Yep. Right. I've got your feature branch here. Okay. And the tests that are failing, where are those? Are those in job seekers controller spec?
The template is not loading, Patrick. I'll show it.
Does the server start?
The job seeker preview template.
Yep. Oh, it's a email preview.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
I think it is resolved right now.
Can you go back to your code? I don't. Your code.
Okay. Here, this is the.
Yeah, I don't think you need line 31.
Yeah. Before it is failed, that's why I keep it. Now I have to remove it.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And one more thing, I'll show it.
Sure.
Yeah, this one. We changed the email here.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Which one is that? That's
Mm. Job
job
applied.
applied by job. I see. Yeah.
Yeah.
Did
Yeah,
I?
job applied by.
I thought I had opened a. I thought I'd opened a story for that, and I may not have. Let me just check real quick here.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see.
If you create the story, you assign that one, and I'll change the email for this.
Try application received as well.
Application?
Actually, hold on. Let me just see. I thought I had. See, company proof validator. I think. So what we ought to do is let's look on the host. Let me look on our production code. That may have been fixed, and you haven't seen the fix because you haven't completed your merge yet.
Yeah.
Let me check that and see if that's the case.
Okay.
So let's see. That would be in code spec. Mailers, previews, and which one was it again?
Job seeker applied the job.
Job developer applied or job seeker?
Job applied
What's a
by
job?
job developer.
I see. So it's the job seeker mailer. Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. All right. So let's see. Yep, that's still broken in production too. It's still got tom@gmail.com.
Yeah.
So that's got to be fixed. Okay, I'll create a story for that.
Mm-hmm.
And if you just want to look for that and take it,
Okay.
might as well create another story rather than you do it as part of your current story, just to keep them separate.
Yeah.
Keep it cleaner that way.
Yeah. This
Can
story also we created
Mhm.
initially 2 files. We added 4, 5 files. The long story.
Yeah. So can you try these other mailers? Why don't we go through them all and see if those
Which
are the
one?
only ones? Let's do them all, starting with agency mailer.
Okay.
Let's see if anything else is broken. Because at one point I went
think,
through.
yeah, I checked most of the things. I noticed. Okay, I'll do this one also. That job applied by job seeker.
Okay, let me. So that's agency mailer. Which one is that? The second one on the list there?
Yeah, second one. That is the
Job app accepted.
job application accepted.
Okay. So we got 3 now broken. Oh, including the one that you're working on.
Yeah.
What's the next one? Job rejected.
This one also. Job
Okay.
rejected.
You know what? I think what happened is I went through these and found a bunch of broken things, but I guess I forgot to create stories. So, so this tom@gmail.com persists throughout, right? So it looks like we got to fix that. Let me go back to the production code just one more time. Check agency mailer. Yep, there it is. tom@gmail.com. It's throughout.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Thanks for reminding me on that then. I'll create, I think I'll create a story per mailer
Okay.
rather than one per mail preview. So could be 3 different stories.
Okay, I'll check the job
Check
posted.
the other ones. Okay.
Yeah. Is that too? Yeah, job posted is
It's busted too.
yeah. I think this will also pause.
Okay, that's good then.
Yeah, job seeker applied also failed.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh. Ah. Okay. Okay, so I think I did have a story for this, and it looks like Sigo has taken it, Jazz. So it's number 497, if you want to look at that.
Mm-hmm. Then I will not update this one. I will leave it job seeker applied. Yeah.
Yeah, leave it. So what he's got, so the story says for the agency mailer, there are 3 broken ones.
Mm-hmm.
Job seeker applied, job application accepted, and job application rejected. Is that what you're seeing?
Yeah.
So job seeker applied. Okay, and then for the job seeker, the story also has job applied by job developer, which is the first one you pointed out to me this morning.
Yeah.
Yep. So I think those, besides the story you're working on, those are the 4 stories that are broken for us right now.
Yeah.
And there is a story out there. Sigu's got it. He's taken it.
Mm-hmm.
So hopefully that is it. We might as well go ahead and check the other ones, huh?
Yeah.
So you did
These
all the
2.
jobs? Yep.
I think this is okay.
They're okay.
Yeah.
And company mailer, I think
I'll check.
Okay.
I think those are fine. I'll check.
Oops.
Yeah, this one also.
Okay, so there, which one is that? That's, all right.
This is the company mailer application received.
Yeah, so I've got an issue for that. It's number 501.
Yeah, I
The
think
Sprint
here is
communication.
for not resource is not found.
Yeah, the problem is we're not stubbing out the call to the cruncher. And it's trying to talk to the cruncher, and the cruncher is saying it can't find that resource.
I think this is file not found error.
It's saying it can't find that file, that resume.
Yeah.
And so we need to just stub out the cruncher in that test, so it doesn't actually talk directly to the cruncher. So that
Okay.
I've got a story for that too. Let's look at the other one and see if we're okay.
Okay. The pending approvals looks good,
Good.
and registration approved is good.
Oh, good.
Registration denied is also good.
Yep. Okay, good.
Okay. What I will do for Patrick first, I will
Wait a minute
finish
now.
the testing. My
So,
branch has already merge conflict. First, I have to
Yep.
resolve the merge conflict. Then I will see these ones.
Okay, good. Well, let me know if you have any problems there. But it looks like you're on the right
Yeah.
path. I think the code is working. You just got to get through those infamous merge conflicts.
Yeah.
Always
Yesterday I
fun.
did not get the connection up to 11:15, Patrick. That's why I did not come.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, in our area, sometimes most of the people working from home, my connections is very busy sometimes.
You mean you got a lot of people competing for the same bandwidth?
Yeah, I think.
That's funny. You're in the heart of Silicon Valley. You'd think you'd have really fast communication all the time, very reliable.
Yeah.
But
yeah, sometimes it is broken, not every time.
Yeah, it's ironic, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, well, thanks for reminding me of those. But I do have two stories out for those, so we're in good shape as far as that goes. If you see anything else, let me know, and I'll create a story if we need to.
Okay.
But because we're trying to get all these little things ironed out before we go to production.
Yeah.
So you missed the client call?
Yeah, I missed the client meeting yesterday. I thought it is 12:30. It's our time.
Oh, yeah. Well, it's got to be midday Eastern Standard Time because that's when Hua has lunchtime.
I totally forgot. I thought it is 12:30 our time. And once I connect the Scrum, then I know it. I saw the client meeting schedule.
Yeah. It's got to be at Hua's lunchtime.
Yeah. Anyway, I watched all the video.
Oh, you did? Okay. So you saw how it went then?
Yeah, I updated myself.
Okay, so
What you guys did. Yeah.
you're all set then.
And I reviewed that UI design. This looks very good. I like the way she did it. The UI
Yeah,
design.
yeah, it looks pretty nice. So when she gets back,
Yeah.
we'll create stories to implement that.
Mhm.
And Hinesh, who's a new guy, he's in London.
Mhm.
I was working with him yesterday on an RSpec test enhancement that he needed to do for a story. Anyway, he knows CSS pretty well, and he likes to do CSS.
Okay.
So I think we can get him together with Laura, and they can work out. He can do some of the implementation because there's going to be a lot of styling and things like that.
Okay.
So I think that'll work out really well when she's back. And we'll continue to improve the UI. Laura just took a first pass at the first page, if you will. And then I think she can go further in it. I don't think we need a huge amount of work, but at least cleaning up the beginning
Yeah.
is the key thing. And then some other stuff we need to do further into the
Yeah.
app. But overall, I think once we get past that, I think we'll be in pretty good shape.
Yeah. Once the site is live, we have to put whatever the links is available in the header. It has some content. Above, nothing is there right now.
Yep. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. Contact. We need a minimum contact information for the contact page.
Yep. Chet's going to get that to us, he said. So we'll
Yeah.
put that in there. That little map, I think, will just be a static map showing where he is. But at some point, it'll be clickable, and you can go and get directions and things like that.
Yeah. Based on the information we entered, it will automatically do.
Yep, absolutely.
Yeah.
We'll probably open another tab with Google Maps in it or something, populated with that direction, with that location. But yeah, I think it'll look nice.
Yeah.
Look really nice. Much better than we have now.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Patrick. I'll update my tests, and after that I resolve the merge conflict.
Okay, great.
Then I will see what is going on. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank
there's
you.
other stories to take then. All right, great. Talk to you later.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye now.